Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use MiniMax H3 text to video for free and create this nice 5 seconds video as you can see. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go ahead to ComfyUI. Now let's run it from here. Okay, now let's go here to templates. Go to MiniMax H3 text to video. Click here. We have this workflow when I used here. Before you do that, we have to download those files. We have 4 files to download because we have 4 errors. Review details. We must download those missing files. As you can see, click the download button and the downloading is starting. As you can see, for me, I already downloaded those files. Pause the video right now and continue after downloading those files. Okay. Let's go here to location of my files. Download this. Okay, this I have 4 files. Okay. First, let's go here, zoom in. Go right here. Okay, we have to go to the paths. To do that, we have to return, close this. ComfyUI portable, ComfyUI search for models. Where is models? Okay, the first one we have to add those on the VAE. Where is VAE? Okay. Now let's return here to download this. Okay. Control X and Control V. Now diffusion model. Go here. Diffusion models. I want to add this file. Cut here. Paste it. And now the final one is the text encoder. Where is text encoder? Plus T. Okay, this one, text encoder. Now the final file. Cut here and add it in this place. Okay, after that, you must reload the page. Now, let's move to the next step. Okay, this is my MiniMax. Okay, we have to add our text here. For the prompt text, you can get it from ChatGPT, Gemini, and else. For the duration, this is 5 seconds. You can just as you want. Okay, let's choose the default text and let's see. Okay, this is format. Now let's hit run. Zoom out. Run. Okay, it started working. And now let's go right here to text manager, task manager, sorry, and let's see the user's performance. Okay, for the memory RAM, it uses around 30 gigabytes. For the GPU, for the moment, it's used around 8 gigabytes of GPU. 9, 10, okay, fine, guys, this is my video. Okay, this is the video that I created by MiniMax using this default prompt. It looks very nice. Okay, I think this MiniMax H3 is better than LTX 2.3. For me, it takes around 10 gigabytes of VRAM and 30 gigabytes of RAM. For the timing, to create this video, 5 seconds video takes around 7 to 10 minutes to create this nice video using this model. Okay, thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial. Subscribe for the channel, comment me, and support me from the link on description for more tutorials like this.